Today is an issue. Cluden, producer of Manus Smitty. The tutorial starts by tracing an edge, stroke to prevent white edges. It will be more beautiful this way. Cut it out. Carving knife for eye socket buckle. Cost relatively small. It is recommended to use it accompanied by a parent. Take out the waste paper and trace it according to the outline of the upper body. Then cut it out. Be careful to cut off this circle outline when cutting. Remember, it has no neck. It will be more convenient to assemble this way. Take out the plastic seal. Open the plastic seal. Take out the double-sided tape. I like to take double-sided tape to stick the back. In this way, the parts will not run around. Reduce the risk of overlap. Quick glue. Preheating of plastic sealing machine. You need to warm it up and put it in. Put it. Cut it out, and that's it. Punch. Next is the assembly tutorial. First, make a hole in the top of a long slice. Cut it out and cut it into a square like this. Aim it at the critical position where the hole is punched. Insert the spikes upside down. Braid the spikes. Apply glue. Press a little bit. Then you can move. It doesn't matter if you don't understand. Watch it again. Cut off the curtain bridge waist piece. Table studs. Braid the studs. Glue and press. So it's very simple. What if you feel too loose? Pick up a pen and hit it hard. That's it. Next, let's talk about how to do magnetic attraction. Unplug the two magnets. Glue on the back. Break one off and suck it on. Glue this on. This way, whether it's above or below, can suck. I think it looks better on it. After we've assembled all the limbs, pick up the back plane. Put the parts on it. Mark the position where the hole is punched. Then put the parts down and punch holes again. Assemble the parts just now. Fix it for him. Braid the spikes. Everything else is the same. Put it all together and apply glue. Put the upper body on, and that completes the assembly of the limbs. I accidentally punched another hole in my neck. Don't insert white material like me. Break it from the back. Take a small piece of paper and stick it to him. I think this will be better than plugging it in. It's easier to stick and bite here, and it doesn't stick. Mark the eyelids. Eye socket. If the prawns are skilled, they don't need to be painted. Get some paper and start cutting long strips. Stick the strip around this edge. Next is the eyelid pull. Cut a narrow strip. Fold into an M shape. Stick the middle here first. Stick it on the outside. Put it up there. Put the eyelids on again. Cut off the excess so it can move. Stick it all over and stick the head on. Like this. A movable cardboard figure is done. Isn't that as easy as it seems? But it's actually not easy at all. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment area. I will answer. Cat ears here. Cat tail. There are also various replacement hands, which are designated by a single plant. See you.